Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. On top of the senior brother of all the television stations who are inside Obodo the world, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV. I beg, if you dey watch us, we appreciate those when they try calling, when no they enter, make una no vex. Those when they calling to contribute, we thank una for all una intelligent contribution. But I beg una do us one favor, make una spread the word. Tell una loved ones say, you get one ogbonge program when they discuss all the issues when they affect us inside Obodo Nigeria and give you license to talk am. Those when they lead this country, they watch, then they hear our language. They no go talk say the English too much, they don't understand. As we they break them down, they hear them. If they hear the voice of the people, they know say na the voice of God, and they go do wetin they right. Ezugu Chukwu the Anunku be there inside studio, and we they discuss all of the action tori wey happen for this weekend.
Well, Chukwu, sincerely, we don't say yes. Of all the stories we don't actually throw down, the one where they give me worry pass that the 450 children will die for IDP camp as a result of it, as a result of malnutrition. The reason why this they even vex me, they're going by the fact, say, okay, this present government don't make promises about taking care of casualties. That is the Boko Haram affected casualties. That's people who are affected by this thing, insecurity way happened there. And then also the fact say they make certain promises where in the end, as we speak right now, whenever they see the value or probably they see the first step towards achieving these promises, and then for us to say we get at least IDP camps, apart from say, okay, they're supposed, now for where there's people supposed they safe until maybe where the original aboriginal ground they settle before they will go back. But in this case, because of say we set up this thing, it is our responsibility as government to also do it. Also ensure say we provide safety, good health and good food for these same people. We get Oga Gandhi, they call us back all the way from PH, Port Harcourt. Good morning, Gandhi.
Yes, good morning.
Yes.
I want to add on behalf of Smith and Tompolo.
Okay, will they hear you?
Can you hear me?
Will they hear?
Yes. The first time court no do and where they did not follow the due process. They don't follow the due process. They just as in that they just fighting directly. They just striking directly. They did not do the due process.
Oga Gandhi, what do you think say supposed to be the due process?
What do you think say
the due process? Explain to Nigerians. What in court supposed don't do?
What be the steps they supposed to carry out before they will say, okay, we don't follow the due process. See the arrest warrant, or come, we won't arrest you. What in those process?
You see what I mean now, BC? The due process, court not do the due process. They just target him. They just want to catch him immediately. Now you can no go answer that call. He may understand.
Okay.
I think we no answer that call for the first time.
Okay. Thank you very, very much for this your important contribution. We get Oga Dapo in the call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Dapo, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Oga Chukwu.
Good morning, Oga Dapo.
Okay. You see the matter of all this economic breakdown. Also, you know, suppose blame the president for everything.
Okay.
I think they travel, they go, they come. No be saying go, they flex. Now one meeting or the other, how the country will take move. We Nigerians, we they blame self, we get our own for body. And the governor where they blame the president, saying get your own for body. I sure say if you reach in house now, the least thing we go do in house, maybe say na in packer. I sure say no be na imported. We as in Nigeria, we know they patronize made in Nigeria products. How economy won't grow, how now I won't get value. It's not possible. So may everybody do in your own part before we go they blame the president. I know
very true. Oga Dapo, quickly, Oga Dapo, you did here?
Yes.
I would like to ask you this question. You've been touch one particular subject which is very interesting. You talk say, as Nigerians, we know they patronize made in Nigeria products. But this made in Nigeria products, Shebina for industries, when they inside Nigeria, now they suppose they make them using technology and our own ideas. What do you think say government go fit do to use ensure say, and things when we say Nigerians get idea to do when we feel they use for this country, we go they use them?
Now sponsor government go do.
Thank you.
If they sponsor them, go they ginger them. Like okay, I get a brother now, in they do all these power bank and charger.
Nice one.
And in they put in name of the company for him and in the made in Nigeria. But you know they say himself, But people don't see me in Nigeria, they don't go on buy. If you say get sponsor now, where they say the government they help and maybe they advertise and they give them endorsement, people go they drink that say okay, we may support this thing. But as the thing will be like that now, you know we sell them. I want their value now.
Oga Dapo, thank you very much for this your important contribution, and we hope say our government will understand say we need to make our own industries grow. They go invest more, do more, so that Nigerians go begin to believe in Nigerian something. Don't be just say they talk say they no believe about. Once people just hear say made in Nigeria, they go begin to shake because everything say it is substandard. Oga Bobby, they call us all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Good morning, Ukubi.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning, Shukudi.
I agree to Oga Bobby.
You see, you know the reason why I start with Ukubi first before you.
I hear you, Oga Gandhi. Oga Bobby.
Because they don't to attack you, Ukubi. So that's why I come for your rescue.
Okay.
The thing we say that traveling of president, you know, they say who know waka. If you look for something, you get to waka to look for it, to get it. You understand me now? You can't sit in one place. Then you go expect manners to fall from heaven come meet you, come for your lap. That is an impossible something. You understand me now? The president, they waka. People work not day. You get to waka around to other countries to bring investors. You get to show your face. You understand me now? There's a difference between having a conversation with somebody face to face. There's a face trust. You understand me? As a business, when you are doing it, you need to work hard to look for. You can't sit in one place. Then you expect foreign investors will come into Nigeria. You understand me now? So you get to move around and try to invite them. The corruption when they fight to tell them say yes, the country is changing and everything. So people go to look up to come. You get to convince people to move. You don't sit in one place and expect a man to fall from heaven.
Oga Bobby.
That I want the Nigerians to know.
Oga Bobby. Quickly, I want to ask you one question based on, say, at least you go need to go convince people for their countries to come invest into our society, that into our own country. May I quickly ask you this question? Okay, one of the trip where Oga Presido do, where you go, I don't know where you go, I don't remember where you go now, where you go, they make one statement, talk, say Nigerians, don't they corrupt, say Nigerians over, you understand, where he mentions, accuse Nigerians of being corrupt and all that. Say it is ordinarily, for this country where you talk this thing, the people who get that country go they inspired to say for this kind of talk they come out from the number one man of a particular country say they go feel they inspired to come invest into our country because we talk say at least go convince and at the same time you know the balance in talk we try to convince.
Who could be? I understand what the point where you want to go, but let me tell you something. The truth always hurts. You understand me now? That's I want you when you go know. You can't listen if they lie to you. A lie is sweet. It be like honey and sugar together. You understand me now? But the truth hurts. That's why they say the truth always hurts. So that's why he get to speak the truth as a president, number one citizen of the country, to tell those people here, say, this is not what they go on. No. Corruption, they take over, but we are fighting on it. So these people do not say, they are working on it. You can't just tell people, say, everything is okay. Everything is okay. Why? The people come now, the policy say, okay, things are not going well. Not what they expect. What they tell them, not what they expect. So that's why you tell them the truth, enable that those who are going to invest will come. You understand me now? So enable to fight the corruption and face the problem.
Very
solution, find solution at the same time.
True. Oga Bobby. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. We really appreciate that. Talk say Oga Presido need to go out if he wants make these good things come and making let Nigeria let the world know and investors know say that like this thing they and see what they do about them. Oga Anderson, they call us back from Isolo. Oga Anderson, welcome back to As It Hot.
Thank you, my brother. Chukwudi.
I agree to Oga Anderson.
Yeah, God bless you. I still call again. The matter where I want to talk now about this Tompolo government, Tompolo.
Feel free.
Yeah. You see, our government this time, the way they too follow issues, problem. Sometimes they too rush things. Like one of our brother, we call the Gandhi. You see, EFCC, if they want to, arrest somebody or call somebody for interrogation, something like that, you get where they go supposed to do the thing. Will be say when you invite that person will properly answer you. You don't hear me?
We hear you, right?
See, okay, now fine. They don't get case for Tompolo. They're supposed to go underground, make some investigations, find out one or two things about the matter of that man, whether that's true or not. Before the man go know what he go do, or begin to himself hide here and there, they don't already get information very, very, very well. I remember one time when the government made the council of elders for Otompolo place, let them begin bring their son. But which people go fit do that kind of thing? Does it mean say our government no fit go make investigation, go properly find out? Waiting be the matter of this thing before they go begin raise any alarm. Now, let me take you back about my two kids. Sorry to say so. You see, EFCC fight finish. At the end, Metu come fire their own case. Based on the fact, say, the matter where they talk about Metu, now useless. They don't get proper evidence. I don't know if it's the year. See, if they begin fight about Ompolo for this issue now without getting concrete evidence, concrete matter very, very well, so that when the man will come out in court anytime, they will be able to stand the ground. No, say yes, they have genuine issue against this man.
Okay, Anderson, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't talk and say all our relevant agencies supposed to conduct thorough investigation so that once the case don't declare, we no go continue. I go speak English, so they dilly-dally or they waste time. Oga Gift, they call us back from Abuja.
Madam Gift.
Now, person, now man voice we hear. Oga Gift, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
I talk am now. I dey intelligent now. I dey intelligent now.
I don't hear you now.
Which one be madam? Why you go call madam?
Oga Gift, right down the year. You don't do.
Yeah. You say I want to say receive. I say one talk with you. Nothing for Nigeria is stable. Not say this stable.
Okay.
This price now of this 3 naira so. When they put down, maybe opposition will start like that. Maybe opposition will start on that amount. Some place now they even start 19 naira. Like Abuja. So I see one with the next one to contribute food. So if the government help us reduce them back or find any way to help us because things they hard though.
Oga Gift, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Even from your voice, the thing be you like say the thing they touch you well. But we go like appeal to our government. Them say make them do wetin dey right for inside this our country to move this our country forward. Plenty Nigerians they experience some kind severe critical condition as we dey so now. Not be just basically about the economy. Look about the one we talk about 450 children when die for inside internally displaced persons camps for 2015. Make we break this thing down. These children are people when we say that they helpless. Helpless in the sense say from where they stay with their parents when we say that they grow up because of Boko Haram Jaguda badness they don't come up for there. Internally displaced persons camps not supposed to be where they will just keep people. The good thing is say they don't talk say they know they see food but then talk say the food no they adequate or appropriate maybe based on the nutrition. You know go give pikin food when they give someone like Unkubi now. You know go give them the food when you know go give small pikin the food when you go chop. And from the breakdown when they give them talk say the children are between the ages of 1 to 5. If pikin when we say they between the ages of 1 to 5, you know if they chop the food when someone like Unkubi they chop all these kind of strong bricklayer and vulcanizer food.
Sis, I beg your pardon. You don't call Unkubi the first and do your example. Give your example. Why step into it a second time?
Who started it?
No.
No. You don't forget. Say you use me do example.
No.
If you use me, I use you.
No.
If you use me, I use you.
I'm not gonna look myself finish. Say I won't give pikin food. Can't they give her the kind of food they me they chop?
Now they talk.
No.
Why these people can't they look themselves? Can't they give the pikin the food where you supposed to chop?
The food they chop different from the food you chop.
How will I know?
How won't you know?
Why will I know?
Why won't you know?
How will I know?
Why not know?
How will I know?
Must always make me look. I don't want to use the word ridicule, but can't they make me look like they too local?
No be you start and first. No be you first talk and here say the food where they give the children. Now food when somebody like me they chop. Me when
adults.
You come adults. You say adult come and then why do you use me as a point of contact? No. And I'm using you
that was an analysis.
Let's face this issue now because this issue they very very serious. We know if 450 children.
The first issue now be
because now you don't like children. Why they run away from issue when they're important? Okay, but you talk about the one way you want to.
Okay, fine. Make we talk about. But you're making me look guilty in this case.
But you are running away from children matter.
I am not running away.
Okay, more face children now. Thank you very much.
Right on.
If in 2015, 450 children for 28 internally displaced persons camps die out of malnutrition, Now we say the case they very very serious, and according to the breakdown when they give, some
we
even get some kind of sickness like
running
malaria,
2000, so
diarrhea, some
different
even get some,
yeah.
so vomiting self inside, and if these people when get this thing, they live with other people when we say maybe they no get, the chances of say they go pass the thing, e dey very very, or e go dey there. So we go want to make our government people, we go want to make private individuals, not be just to go internally display person account, carry birthday cake, go dey snap picture.
Imagine that kind of thing now.
Like wetin
you wan mention my name, wetin
I want make you help me mention the name of.
We know the person that he be visit EFCC. EFCC be holder not too long. We know about that one, Abi.
I don't know his name.
Now you go remind us because now you start the story.
I know the story. You complete.
In name. Well, it don't skip my mind.
Not be to carry cake go internally display camp. Come they cut cake like
the issue of cake.
Small.
The nutrition the nutrition cake where they give this thing.
And people go
when they were in government, they don't visit IDP camp. And then they come from government, they say something like IDP camp they exist.
And now go to IDP camp.
They do eye service kind of government.
Una go dey go IDP camp, una go dey carry photographer. Na model dem be. Na model.
They give themselves publicity. Unnecessary publicity we no want.
They snap picture.
People are dying 450 for crying out loud. As a result of which, they chop well. But your own house, you go there, they chop well. They
feeding allowance.
Food.
Feeding allowance.
And what is even
wardrobe allowance?
What is
furniture allowance? Everything allowance.
Even the worker allowance.
Worker allowance. Una won't buy new motor.
You get how they hear now. Say now questions whether they collect one particular allowance for one particular.
Nah, shocking allowance. Now waiting them talk for this one. Say like some of them they
collect allowance to take
shocking allowance. It's very very important. Make we continue to talk all this matter. Then make we do waiting they right. 450 na outrageous sum. What will be the value of the Nigerian life for one Nigerian?
For one Nigerian.
I
know of a society like
in as much 450 children, the leaders of tomorrow.
In as much as America.
Why?
Feel get their own issues, but at least the life of their citizens they hold on so dearly. So 450 children, we say children who suppose they look up to say they will become what they will become tomorrow. Now just ignore them. And the other thing we also need to look at Chukwudi. Maybe if you just say they allocate budget for these people for these camps, but then people when they buy this food, say then they consider say okay, no be only adults say the camp. And their kids, okay, what are the necessary things where kids also suppose they take? And apart from that, camp on its own supposed to be more like, okay, you supposed to get comfort for camp. No matter how, even if you be alien, they can't put you on place. You supposed to get a bit of comfort. But in our own case, it's just like the IDP camp now prison self for these people. I mean, this is not how we ought to handle things. These are not foreigners, they are Nigerians.
Very, very true. It go good make we put our leg on top of this matter. Make we show Madam Joy say, even though we talk, we know they fight, we always stand.
So we always agree.
The issue of this of the opposition party PDP, when we say that they quarrel over who go be leader.
Imagine.
Make una remember say the role of opposition na to provide alternative.
Exactly.
And if the PDP na the strongest opposition party when we get,
and another
this kind of fight when they fight, make them try settle am so that Nigerians go know say no be only one political party na go dey rule this country. Agreed.
Make
we go the next on the rerun. Tell them say INEC make them improve their work.
INEC as well. We don't hear the election will happen for Benue State. The senatorial election will happen for the south area of Benue State where Oga David Mark emerged as winner. One of our callers, Oga Austin callers, talk say look, say INEC try, say that carry out there, say even give them 100 over 100. We also at least this opportunity tell INEC say with this result and with this credible mark where people don't give now, make they see the result, make the consistency there. No hear case say election do this one, election get killed for this place, election get killed for this other place. At least make we feel hold on to something and say yes, even if nothing go well, but election will bring in this person go well. Very at true. Least.
Make we call wrap our mouth with this remaining three when we say we talk about. The one when we talk about say the naira, make our government and do wetin dey right, make them ensure say everything dey okay. The issue of children when they die inside internet display income, make them make sure say they do wetin dey right, make children dey chop food, make they cause more problem for this country. And the issue of Tompolo and EFCC, make them do their best to see everything settle. Oga Bobby go wrap up all our discussion before we carry bye go today. Oga Bobby, welcome back to Asi the Hot.
You make a sharp.
Okay.
The tip is say that again one caller when call say talk about made in Nigeria product. When they do something enough to work. Tip say not everything will get respect for government. If you get business when you invest something or you get product when they do, approach companies to help you, assist you. You can approach a company, you can approach real estate or anybody when you say get money to invest, convince them to invest in the product. You understand me now? Not everything you get to rely on government to do for you. So as a business person, you need to approach other people, not only government. You get to expect.
Very, very
so
true. Bobby, thank you very much for this important one when you take wrap them up. This one they very, very obvious. Say as Nigerians, even though we know say government go do their own part, make we also do our own and make we support government most especially. And those when the government make una remember say una promise to do a lot of things. Make una do them so that trust will continue today. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come up plenty smoke. We thank all our callers, especially Madam Joy when talk say the problem with Nigeria na say you talk I disagree. Me and Nkubi don't show say we go disagree to agree so that our country go move forward. Nkubi.
Yes, and these are also one thought at least me address the issue of IDP camp well. Make we know here case say children they die unnecessarily overweighting over just food. We got leaders make they address them once, address them once. I beg till tomorrow we go come back again. From me Nkubi, I will say bye.
I happy the way when you take end this show like this. You don't see say now this kind of way now you supposed to follow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.